Can you use AI to trade Forex? In the realm of Forex trading, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, has become a transformative force. A staggering 70% of global trading volume is now attributed to algorithmic trading, with AI playing a pivotal role in this surge. Additionally, the Forex market's daily trading volume exceeds $6 trillion, underscoring the immense scale at which AI operates. By the way, if you're looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, I have put some links in the description box below to the brokers I use myself. Check them out. Let's continue with our video. AI's application in Forex trading encompasses the development of sophisticated algorithms capable of analyzing vast datasets, identifying market patterns, and executing trades with remarkable speed and precision. Platforms such as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 have become central to this evolution, offering traders access to AI-driven tools and automated trading capabilities. These platforms enable the creation and deployment of expert advisors, EAs, which are automated trading systems designed to execute trades based on predefined criteria. The advantages of utilizing AI in Forex trading are manifold. AI systems can process and analyze data at speeds unattainable by human traders, facilitating rapid decision-making. They operate continuously, unaffected by human limitations such as fatigue, thereby ensuring consistent market monitoring. Furthermore, AI algorithms can adapt to evolving market conditions, potentially enhancing trading strategies over time. However, the integration of AI in Forex trading is not without its challenges. The complexity of developing and fine-tuning AI algorithms necessitates a high level of expertise. Additionally, the reliance on historical data for training AI models can lead to overfitting, where the model performs well on past data but fails to generalize to new, unseen market conditions. Moreover, the dynamic nature of the Forex market means that AI systems must be continually updated to remain effective, requiring ongoing maintenance and oversight. User experiences with AI trading in the Forex market are varied. Some traders report positive outcomes, noting that AI tools have enhanced their trading efficiency and profitability. Conversely, others express skepticism, highlighting the risks associated with over-reliance on automated systems and the potential for significant losses. Some have pointed out that while trading bots can be effective for some, they do not guarantee profits and emphasize the importance of personal learning and system development. In conclusion, while AI presents promising opportunities for Forex trading, it is imperative for traders to approach this technology with a balanced perspective. A comprehensive understanding of AI's capabilities and limitations, coupled with prudent risk management strategies, is essential for leveraging its full potential in the dynamic and complex environment of Forex trading.